Hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming, and we gonna talk about new secret mobile squad or secret command post additions. As you can see, we got adventurers chest in secret mobile squad, and you can see there's a new secret vault section in hidden treasures, and hidden treasure maps fragments are totally now changed. As you can see, secret mobile squad, you can see the uh, task got now some new boxes which is called as adventures key chest. Okay, so it will help you to unlock the adventurous chest, and you can open it for more rewards. Okay, so you can see there are a lots of tasks that can give you these adventurous chest, and you can open it once. 5 tokens you get from adventures chest, and as you can see there's unlock button. It's just like last event we played, like Easter egg. You gonna open it 5 times. I have enabled one tap unlock already for that, so let's unlock it. And you can see we got a rare chest. Just like the Easter egg event, we get different kind of chest from here, as you can gain a golden chest on 11th try. Okay, if you don't get a legendary chest for 10 consecutive tries, you are guaranteed one on 11th attempt. This will also reset the legendary chest counter. Okay, so this is a very useful and great for having good rewards and more rewards. And let's go to the hidden treasure. Collect all treasure map pieces to search for treasure. And as there are rewards like normal for legendary chest. Now you can see we got hero choice chest upgraded, red version, red boxes we get, and also we get dig hammers, which is gonna be useful in opening the secret vault. In here in center you can see we need hammers to break these tiles, and once we break the tiles and get the shapes like here, circle and drops, and it will be filled and you'll get a reward for that. You can redeem those rewards. You can see the rewards in here, like gorilla overlord chest for stage 20, 15, 10, 5. You're gonna get reward for every stage you complete, so try to complete it in a week. Okay, it will last till a week. We can see from I button secret vault. The entrance to Secret Vault is located at the center of hidden treasure map. Opening a hidden treasure grants you a number of dig hammers. The higher the treasure quality, the more hammers you receive. Inside the secret vault, use dig hammers to break stones. As I said, cracked stones may reveal traces of gems. When all stones covering a gem are broken, the gem activates and flies into a slot on the gate. Once all slots are filled, the gate opens and you receive the treasure inside. Special rewards are available on 5, 10, 15 and 20. You can request help from allies. Each ally can send you up to 5 dig hammers per day, so you can obtain help from your allies also. The secret ward reset weekly. 20 levels unlock each week. Progress resets after the countdown ends. While digging, there is a 25% chance to trigger a time limited stage, max 5 times per week. Completing it grants special rewards. And about hidden treasure, complete secret task of epic rarity or about to earn random treasure map fragments. Successfully completing these tasks perfectly complete epic task. 5% chance. There is a guaranteed chance to find a legendary chest after digging 15 times. So this is normal. As you know about the hidden treasures, how it works, you need to gain these map fragments and just dig, open it for the rewards. And on every 15th you gonna get guaranteed golden chest if you don't get in 15 chances. So let's open first. You can see some new animation in here. We got nice 30 D hammers, we got hero choice chest, and that's a very good start for me. And let's go to the secret vault section now, as we got 30 hammers. So let's hammer it. Okay, we got one diamond, and it will fill the slot above, as you can see. Then let's get another one, and let's aim for like good rewards. Okay, 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 and it's done. You can see the slots are filled now, and we got some chest, and stage 1 is done. And we can open it by tapping on it, and we get lots of level tied iron chest, food chest, coin chest, and 1 minute research speed ups. Okay, and now again it will need some diamonds. If you have those hammers, you can use it till they are. And once you fill up the above structure, you're gonna get, oh sorry, I'm out of uh, dig hammer. So I will try to collect as many as I can. And with this exchange you can also get those hammers from your allies. Okay, okay, so that's, so here is a sharing option where from you can share to your alliance and request dig hammer support from your alliance. Okay, so it's done. And that was for today's video, guys. I hope you like the video. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos on Last War. Thank you.